Hello, welcome back. This is the fifth day of 100 Days Self Improvement series. And if you are new to this channel, my name is Somanath Pathak, and I am always keen to make videos on documenting my life. That could be anything from mistakes I am taking and I have taken back then, and how I am improving day by day. And yeah, this is my consecutive fifth video, and today I want to address one important thing that I don't feel like to tell. I'm not a preach first. Okay, I just share my experience and what I'm feeling about this topic. So the topic is rejections. Yeah, you could say that these days, obviously I've faced some situations in which I feel like I could also be disturbed by rejections, and that is not direct rejections but the rejections we think into our mind, rejections we thought that we will get when certain things will happen. Okay, so I'm just telling you that first you need to understand from where rejections comes. Obviously, when you take some kind of decision, right? And when the stress come, when someone, like, you take the decision of telling someone your feelings, or could say anything, or you want to approach to the company, this is the right thing. Okay, approach to the company and asking for a particular job role, and they would say like, you are not permitted to enter into this job role, you are not eligible to this job. That could be your relationship or a job factor. Okay, and but I'm saying from where that rejection come, when you take some kind of action. So the first point I would address is when you take, and what happened when rejection come, we filled our brain with stress, emotion up and down, we feel sad, sorrow comes, and depressing situations always come. And why this happened? Because we don't take rejections in a healthy way. That's because I am addressing this point because past 2 days I feel like the same way, and the rejections has not come right now, but I thought I should first cover this thing because just document my emotions. So I am saying that rejection comes from the action you take, and you first understand this approach, and this is very helpful, that take action without expecting for your win. मतलब कि जब when you take some kind of actions that you think that will eventually happen good, or you will succeed in that, you think, not the actual thing happen in future, and you just expecting the wins कि भाई मैं ये करूँगा तो पक्का ये तो हो जाएगा, अगर मैं उसको अप्रोच करूँगा या मैं उस जॉब को इंटरव्यू दूंगा तो दैट आई विल सक्सीड इन दैट इंटरव्यू और कन्वर्सेशंस. बट वो हमेशा नहीं होता, ठीक है ना. तो फर्स्ट इज डोंट एक्सपेक्ट द विंस, जस्ट टेक एक्शंस. एंड एक्शंस लेने में ना लेजीनेस मत करो, ठीक है ना. एक्शंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. some people often say how I can become a good decision maker, ठीक है ना. मैं कौन से डिसीजन लूँ जो मेरे सारे सही हो जाएंगे. सी, not who on earth come to take every decision good or right. No one in this world always take right decision. Always everyone fail in their decision when they grow in their age. Their capability to take decisions becomes, their ability or capability to take decisions becomes good, not 100% right. प्रोबेबिलिटी हमेशा वो 60-40 वाली रहती है, 70-30 वाली रहती है when you grow up in the age. So people often say how to become good decision maker. So I would say first make the habit of taking decisions. हम we always feel lazy to tell someone our our emotions or the thought that circle into our minds, ठीक है ना, we don't feel like they would understand us. And sometimes we feel afraid to take the decisions of our life or of our career. And that's because we always fail in our life. Fail in the sense we are not reaching to our potential. Just because we are afraid to take decisions, that's because of failure. कि भाई फेल ना हो जो डिसीजन लेने से, ये ना हो जाए वो ना हो जाए, एंड वी जस्ट sit at a place. So that is not a good thing, which I personally think this is already 5 minute video, 6 minutes video. And I always feel like when anything happen in your life, don't fix yourself into the sad emotions. Not just listen, you are just listening day and night daily sad songs of Arijit Singh, okay, or any artist you love, and you just filled yourself with bad emotions, and that will not help you to succeed in your life. What you should do, like when something happen, it is obviously not easy to overcome to that situation or that decisions reflection. When someone told you that you are just go here, so that is not easy to digest. It takes some times, but you have to focus on to overcome that, not just enhance that feeling. What you do, you listen sad songs, you are just memorizing those conversations you have done with your friends or anything, and you just put yourself in that situation with different angles. काश मैं ये बोल देता वो बोल देता, एंड वो डिसीजन हो चुका है, ठीक है ना. सो नेवर ट्राई टू make yourself in that situation again with different anger, because that will not help in that scenario ना, अगले में काम आ जाएगा, but in that scenario not help. So what you should do, just make the mindset of improving yourself 1% day. You take the decision, you didn't afraid of taking decisions. If you are genuinely honest with yourself and you did nothing wrong, and you work hard in respect of job opportunities or finding, and you worked hard on your skills, so we'll eventually get those good results. चाहे वो किसी भी मैनर में समझ लो, ठीक है ना. I'm in this conversation talks about regarding a relationship or job opportunities, ठीक है ना. So when you are honest and you work on daily on your skills, craft, or the things that disturb you, and you want to make the right output, you want to fix that situations, so you take the decision, you took the decision, you approach to that person or that job, and if that happen in a good manner, that's good, you will happy, okay. But if things are not going your way, if things will not go in your way, don't feel stress every time, don't feel sad हो गया, ठीक है ना. Don't feel every time, just think about, make your satisfaction, give your satisfaction that yeah, I took that decision, I love the process of improving myself, I love my journey of my life, that I did these things, and I gained those, and eventually you will become happy and improve person day by day. So always have the mindset of 1% improvement daily. So I was not feeling good because of some my conversations I had with someone. So I thought that whatever I'm feeling right now, I'm not feeling good actually. Uh, I'm just talking in front of camera, and yeah, why I'm saying, because I'm not a preach or the motivator speaker to give you any suggestion, but what I face, and that would help. I think if something helped me in the particular situation, could be help to other one. ठीक है ना, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि भाई ज़रूरी है जो मेरे को हेल्प करा वो तुम्हें भी हेल्प करेगा, पर हो सकता है दैट विल हेल्प मी एंड दैट कुड हेल्प यू टू. So that's why I make the videos, and soon this series of documenting this raw video will end. Yeah, it's become too many videos of just speaking in front of camera, and yeah, I will continue. I will upload videos on a regular basis, that documenting videos, raw videos. But now I think I have learn something that I could help you too. So in some next videos you will find new patterns, new structures, new, you could say, video format that will help you more and give values, and that would definitely into my own journey, and that would never like दूसरे का ठा के बस कंटेंट बनाने के चक्कर में. If something will help me, I will tell you definitely. That's all for today. If you like this video, go and hit the like button, and if these things happen in your life, comment me and tell your journey, and how should I take this time, these situations in a positive way and more healthy way, because things are not easy for anyone. Go and share this video more. मिलते हैं कल अगली वीडियो में.